My name is Wolfgang Bühn, and I will explain to you how it works when you order the inspection of a machine from Mevas. To calculate the cost and make you a reasonable offer, we would have to know what kind of machine it is and where it is located. If you agree with our offer, we would need to get some data, such as your company address and your VAT number. As soon as we receive the contact details of your contact person at the seller, we will call them to arrange an inspection. At the same time, we will send you a pro forma invoice. A good idea is now to ask the seller for a reservation until the day after the inspection. If it is your first time ordering an inspection from Mevas, we would like to be paid in advance. Our invoice contains the details of the bank to which you need to transfer the money. As soon as you have provided us with proof of payment, a payment slip for instance, we will schedule the inspection. We contact the seller and arrange an inspection date with him. The Mevas inspector goes to the machine on the next possible day. He carries out a comprehensive test with a checklist and checks all the assemblies of the machine. For this purpose, many photos are taken and, if required by you, also video. After the inspection, we make all the data available to you in a cloud folder within 24 hours. Thus we enable you to judge from home whether a machine is worth the money the seller is asking for. By the way, an inspection report is never shared with a third person.